Masarap na sinangag. In English, delicious fried rice. This fried rice is composed of red and white rice. And this delicious recipe from the Philippines can be found in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine cookbook recipe written by her daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. This delightful book contains the secret of my beloved mom's cooking skill that she used to cook during our growing up years. Masarap ang sinangag. Delicious fried rice, one of my favorites every breakfast. Enjoy Philippine foods. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang ating mga magulang na masarap magluto. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine cookbook recipes contains all the Philippine recipes, delicious and sumptuous, that you can find. Written by Juanita Gutierrez. This book, very delightful, is written in tribute to Mom's very intelligent cooking skill, and also with my dad. Enjoy cooking and eating with family and friends. Fried rice, masarap na sinangag. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine cookbook recipes by Juanita Gutierrez at Amazon. Happy cooking! Enjoy!